Hello, in front of me I've got Starsand Island. In this video I'll show you how to fight. In the beginning, to fight, we need slingshot or sentry bots. Further in the game, we can unlock more weapons. So now let's go and search for some enemies. Okay, now we have to shoot to defeat our enemy. In case you've got no ammo, unfortunately you have to buy it or craft it. But also you can use this sentry bot that will fight for you. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.